US Webcon manufactures custom web handling and web converting equipment for the web converting industry. This machine, Nonwoven Center Folder Winder, or also known as a web doubler for textiles, wovens, and nonwovens. The machine will unwind a roll of web material, fold it along the center, or double the layer of web and then wind it up on a surface winder. Or the machine can be designed to place the folded web directly into your process. This machine is capable of performing 2 folds, one after the other. The web leaves an edge-guided center unwind with closed-loop tension control and goes over the first plow to be folded in half. A pull roll pulls the material through the plow folder to perform the fold. The web then passes over a second folder plow to make a second fold and then goes around a turning bar to bring the web back in line with the surface winder. The surface winder includes a rider roll to wind a tight product roll. Call US Webcon to talk to one of our application engineers to discuss your web center folding project or web converting application. We can build a custom design machine to perform your specific application